Only bricks na yan. Yan!
Dito ba?
Ayan ba ata yan? Yan. Hello! Welcome to the wedding. Welcome to my vlog, you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Sanity.
Ayan, so next po, yung mga flower girls at saka bearers.
I'm hungered. I'm starvation.
Flower girls and the bearers.
Kailan ba kasi kakain? Awit.
Susunod po yung musicians and singers. After po ng mga flower girls. And then the bearers. Sabay na po natin silang isunod po natin yung mga singers and musicians.
Let's go! Pwede nyo bang ako na ito? Wow! Wait lang, hawakan mo nga ate. Ay, sorry! Oh my gosh! My bad.
Ay, mano ka doon. Sunod po sa kanila yung mga friends. College and high school friends.
Seryoso talaga.
Alright, next. Yung mga friends, college and high school friends, and workmates as well. Kasi may sana ano ko na number.
I'm hungered, very hungered. Let's sing a song, you guys. Ay, wag na nga. The gift? Anong babalutin natin? Funky.
Alright, so Adapay Bati na miss ko. Later, we will be calling our E&E staff. They will be joining us later. Okay, yeah, I remember yung mga ushers. And then the decor team.
DMC!
Ayan, yung mga nag-decorate po. And yung mga nag-ushers po. Alam ko, wala kayong tulog kagaya ko, pero at least, okay pa naman yung mga mukha natin, hindi pa naman haggard.
Sitting by the fire, you're the answer.
Alright, next, yung mga videographers po natin. Of course, we would like to acknowledge them as well. Pakitawagan po natin sila dito sa harap. Later, we will be watching the totality of today's ceremony.
What I give if I could give just this moment.
Yung mga kasamaan po, sir, pakijoin po para.
But the colors fade away.
Yung mga extended family daw po, please join them. Request ng couple.
Still living and all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is two more every day. You take my heart, be broken apart. You gave your love away. Can't find the words to say. Not painful every day. Oh,
Anong regalo ba yun? Balot yan. Happy ka?
Alright, so yung mga hindi pa po nakakakain, we can now fall or form a line. Pakastay tayo ng mag-line niya. Tayo nga start ni pila. And then you can go back to your respective seats. And start dito eh. Okay. Isilan ng gayang tanalawlawat is seat basket. Ayan, so dagay na kung ano may kayo nagpila. Mabalinan niya pa nagpila, dagay na duma. You can now join the line and get your food.
Maybe climbing on a rainbow, but maybe it holds dreams that for those who see life is for us to feel. If you're wondering what this song is leading to, let's make it living.
And so when you are enjoying your lunch, we would like also to acknowledge and thank E&E Events Place and Catering Services. Sila po yung nag-cater ng place and at the same time the food that we are enjoying right now. And we would like to thank Ma'am Aika. Siya po yung contact person natin dito sa E&E Events Place. And also their chef, Chef Zay. Maraming salamat po for the sumptuous meal this evening. Instrumental para makakain kayo. Instrumental para makakain kayo. Tila na rin kayo. And so after po ng ating early dinner, we will still be having the second part or the third part of today's ceremony. So wala po munang uuwi. Ang kendo tayo nagpila.
pwede na daw mag-call.
Itapat mo dito, tingnan mo. Wow, magic.
Sino yan? Naglalay?
Me, myself, and I. Shout out sa'yo! Sino ka? Si Judge.
Nakalagay ko sila.
Yay! Heartbeat. Hindi.
Kanina ka pa naka-live?
Ay, hindi. Nung, picture taking. Burger and fries.
Nabata ang North.
Mama, Ina! Say hi! Ina? Manta yun, ako kakabisat. 1,000 years. 1,000 years? Naman sa S. Ando pala sila. Ay, wait lang. Nagpipicture sila. Pamili daw. Ay, bigay sa akin ng gusto ko. Same kami. Hindi pwede bigay. Yes! Hi! Hey!
Ang ganda namin siya.
Ay naman! Talaga lang si Lord na pangat. Tapos na, OMG! Oh, kalmahan nyo yan. Ay, sorry, Ate John. It's me, Angel. Malabo mata sa likod na pagkasa. Waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I love you 1,000 years. Ano ba? 1,000 more. Na lang, I believe times much parts to me. Memer! Memer ko opo.
Ano ba dyan? Wait na lang.
Step closer. One step Burger and fries.
Lenny Tantan.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Mami Lenny, lugaw is essential. Tignan niyo na to, ha? Ano? Ay, sige, join kayo. Oh, kaway-kaway! Tapusin na natin. Hindi, mamaya na lang. Hindi, alam naman yung video natin kumakain tayo. Kasi ba, kaya naman.
Pwede naman.
Ay, gusto mo?
Baby,
Baby yarn. And all my baby. Bye, guys.